Is your job on the line because of AI? Welcome to Curious Corner. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that many people fear: artificial intelligence. AI is quickly becoming a prominent technology in our lives, and it's changing the way we work and live. Some of you might have heard of popular AI tools like Chat GPT, Microsoft CoPilot, or Google Bard, but do you know what AI really is? AI is a technology that mimics human intelligence, allowing machines to learn from data, identify patterns, and make decisions based on that data. AI has the ability to perform tasks that traditionally required human intelligence, and this has caused concern for many people who are worried about job security. We're going to look at jobs that are currently in danger of being replaced by AI. These jobs may surprise you, but as we dive into each one, you'll see how AI is making an impact on the workforce. Our first job is one that's been around for centuries: farming. Agriculture is a significant part of many countries' economies, but the introduction of AI has made it possible to automate many of the tasks associated with farming. Autonomous tractors, drones, and sensors are all being used to monitor crops, and AI algorithms are being used to optimize crop yields. With AI, farmers can monitor their crops in real time, and this helps them to detect issues early on, which can ultimately save them time and money. However, the increasing use of AI in farming also means that certain traditional farming jobs are at risk of being replaced by machines. For example, the job of a farm laborer who manually plants and harvests crops is being replaced by machines like autonomous tractors and robotic harvesters. While this may mean a loss of jobs in the short term, it could also lead to the creation of new, higher-skilled jobs in the agricultural sector, such as data analysts and AI programmers. For years, cashiers have been a staple of retail stores, supermarkets, and fast food restaurants. But with the rise of self-checkout kiosks and automated ordering systems, the role of cashiers is quickly diminishing. According to a report by McKinsey, up to 73 million jobs in the United States could be replaced by automation by 2030, and the job of a cashier is one of them. Customers can place their orders using touchscreen kiosks or mobile apps, eliminating the need for human cashiers to take their orders. Some restaurants have even begun testing AI-powered drive-thru systems, which can use voice recognition technology to take orders and process payments. Now, I know what you're thinking, but wait, won't we still need human cashiers to help customers with their purchases? Well, that may be true for now, but as AI continues to improve, it's only a matter of time before machines can do everything a human cashier can, and more efficiently too. Have you ever received an unsolicited phone call from a telemarketer trying to sell you something? Well, thanks to AI-powered chatbots, those days may soon be over. Chatbots are computer programs that can simulate conversations with human users, and they're becoming increasingly popular in customer service and sales. According to a study by Gartner, in 2023, 70% of all customer interactions will involve some form of AI. This means that the job of a telemarketer, which already has a bad reputation, is even more at risk. Chatbots can work 24/7, never get tired or angry, and can handle multiple conversations simultaneously. But the use of AI in customer service and sales is not limited to chatbots alone. Companies are now using AI-powered virtual assistants to handle routine customer inquiries and support requests. Virtual assistants can provide personalized recommendations and product information to customers, as well as handle basic tasks like booking appointments or placing orders. Furthermore, the use of AI in sales extends beyond customer interactions. AI algorithms are being used to analyze consumer data and behavior to identify potential leads and predict purchasing patterns. This allows sales teams to target their efforts more effectively and improve their overall performance. Now, let's talk about the job of a truck driver. While truck driving may not be the most glamorous of professions, it is undoubtedly an essential one. These drivers are responsible for transporting goods and products all over the country, ensuring that businesses and consumers alike have access to the items they need. This may come as a surprise to some, but truck driving is one of the most common occupations in the United States, with over 3.5 million drivers employed in the industry. However, with the advent of self-driving trucks, that number could soon dwindle. The rise of self-driving trucks poses a significant threat to the future of this industry. With technology advancing at a breakneck pace, it's only a matter of time before these vehicles become the norm. While some may view this as progress, it's important to consider the potential implications for the millions of truck drivers who rely on this profession to make a living. Self-driving trucks have the potential to revolutionize the industry by offering round-the-clock service, reducing the risk of accidents caused by human error, and increasing fuel efficiency. However, this also means that many truck driving jobs could be replaced by machines. While some may argue that these jobs are mundane and unskilled, it's important to remember that they provide a vital source of income for many individuals and families. The transition to self-driving trucks won't happen overnight. There are still many hurdles to overcome, such as navigating complex regulations and ensuring the safety and reliability of these vehicles. In the meantime, truck drivers can take steps to future-proof their careers by developing additional skills and expertise that will make them valuable assets in a changing industry. Next up, we have the job of a receptionist. Receptionists are the face of many businesses, greeting visitors, answering calls, and providing general assistance. However, with the rise of AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants, the role of a receptionist is becoming less necessary. These cutting-edge technologies are revolutionizing the way that businesses operate by providing quick and efficient support to customers and clients. Chatbots and virtual assistants can handle a range of basic tasks, from scheduling appointments to answering frequently asked questions. This not only frees up time for human receptionists to focus on more complex tasks, but also enables businesses to provide round-the-clock support without having to worry about staffing issues. But that's not all. These virtual assistants can also learn and improve over time, providing increasingly sophisticated support as they gather more data and refine their algorithms. This means that businesses can provide even more personalized and responsive support to their customers, resulting in increased satisfaction and loyalty. They have uncovered scandals, exposed corruption, and given a voice to the voiceless. With the advent of AI-generated content, the role of a journalist is under threat. AI-powered language models like GPT-3 can generate articles and reports that are remarkably similar to those produced by human journalists. These algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data and synthesize it into coherent narratives, all without the need for human intervention. This has the potential to transform the way we consume news and information by providing real-time updates and insights that would be impossible for human journalists to produce alone. However, there are also some ethical concerns that need to be considered. AI-generated content raises questions about authenticity, bias, and the role of human judgment in the journalistic process. It's important to ensure that AI-generated content is held to the same rigorous standards as content produced by human journalists in order to maintain the integrity and objectivity of the news. That being said, there are also many exciting opportunities for journalists to embrace the potential of AI in their work. For example, AI-powered data analysis can help journalists to uncover trends and patterns that would be difficult to detect otherwise. Similarly, AI-generated content can help to free up time and resources for human journalists to focus on more complex and nuanced stories. Paralegals are legal professionals who assist lawyers with research, drafting documents, and other tasks. However, with the rise of AI-powered legal research tools, the role of a paralegal is becoming less necessary. AI-powered legal research tools can sift through vast amounts of data, including court cases, statutes, and legal briefs, and provide lawyers with relevant information in a matter of seconds. In addition, AI-powered tools can quickly identify relevant legal precedents and statutes, helping lawyers make more informed decisions. This means that lawyers can save time and money by not having to rely on human paralegals for research and drafting. Digital marketing is all about creating content that resonates with your audience, and AI is now making it easier than ever to do just that. By analyzing user data and behavior, AI algorithms can generate insights into what content performs best for different audiences, allowing marketers to optimize their campaigns for maximum impact. One area where AI is particularly useful is in personalized marketing. By using machine learning algorithms to analyze customer data, marketers can create highly targeted ads and promotions that are tailored to individual preferences and interests. This not only improves the effectiveness of marketing campaigns, but also enhances the overall customer experience. It might sound weird, but programmers aren't safe too. Even their jobs are not immune to the influence of AI. In fact, with the rise of AI-powered programming tools like Microsoft CoPilot and OpenAI's Codex, the role of the programmer is rapidly evolving and shifting towards something different than what we are used to see. These tools use machine learning algorithms to analyze millions of lines of code and then provide suggestions and even entire code blocks that can be used to solve complex problems. This not only speeds up the programming process, but also makes it more accessible and easy to those with less programming experience. So, what is your opinion on all of this? Do you think your job is also in danger? Share your vision and thoughts with us in the comment section. While this may seem like a cause for concern, it's important to remember that AI has the potential to bring about many positive changes to our society. By automating repetitive and mundane tasks, we can free up human workers to focus on more creative and fulfilling work. As AI continues to evolve, it's likely that we'll see even more jobs being disrupted or replaced. However, this also presents an opportunity for us to adapt and embrace new technologies and new ways of working. Who knows, maybe one day we'll all be working alongside AI-powered robots, and we'll wonder how we ever got anything done without them. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.